Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving back into the topic of eSIMs, more specifically, why they're not just a passing trend, but a major leap forward. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. First, let's talk about what makes eSIMs different. eSIMs, or embedded SIMs, are like SIM cards without the card. They're built right into the device, so no swapping needed. You get all the functions of a regular SIM card, plus the ability to remotely change carriers, store multiple profiles, and enjoy better security. So, what exactly makes eSIMs future-proof compared to standard SIM cards? Let's break it down. No physical SIM swapping. First, eSIMs eliminate the hassle of manually swapping out SIM cards. For businesses and IoT deployments, this means fewer service calls and lower maintenance costs. Devices just connect and go. Instant, remote provisioning. eSIMs can activate a carrier or switch networks in minutes, wherever you are. Think about how valuable that is for IoT systems across different regions. They can connect instantly without waiting for physical cards. Enhanced security. eSIMs come with built-in high-security encryption, protecting data better than standard SIMs, especially important for IoT applications in sectors like healthcare and finance. Eco-friendly and cost-effective. Because there's no plastic, eSIMs cut down on waste and are cost-efficient for scaling up IoT networks. Now let's get into how multi-network eSIMs support the rapid growth of IoT on a global scale. Multi-network access. Multi-network eSIMs can carry multiple carrier profiles, so IoT devices automatically connect to the best network. This means higher reliability for industries that need it most. Reduced downtime. Since devices can instantly switch networks, there's less downtime. This is huge for real-time data users, like in factories or smart city applications. Scalability for future growth. As IoT scales up, companies can update or reconfigure thousands of eSIM-enabled devices remotely. No hardware swap necessary. This is important when it comes to making future upgrades, expanding into new regions, or changing regulations. For consumers, eSIMs are now available in smartphones, tablets, and wearables. With eSIMs, users get the convenience of switching carriers without needing a new physical SIM, making it easier to manage data plans and stay connected wherever they go. As more carriers adopt eSIMs, this tech is set to become a mainstay in mobile devices. In the end, the SIM card is what keeps your devices connected. With eSIMs, that connectivity becomes seamless, secure, and scalable, making them a key technology as IoT and mobile tech grow globally. If you're ready to learn more about how multi-network eSIMs can transform your device ecosystem, be sure to check out our website. So, what are your thoughts on eSIM technology? Are you ready for a SIM card-free future? Comment below, subscribe for more, and stay connected.